Goko niko Kikuyu podcast. Deputy President Rigathi wa Gachagua arathaka kadi ciake wega muno. Muthenya wa ira kamwira okite press briefing kumatha imwe cia tuko. Muthenya niambite gucemania na senators, and this is very important. Niki Parliament no kuhetukia motion na makauga ni mamu impeach, but the real trial will be on Senate. Agikorwo Mugathi aikiria muhuko abunge akirigana na wikia senators muhuko, then itakuwa mlima. Bunge no ihetukie kumu impeach, but Senate a block impeachment ya Rigathi Gachagua. Muthenya wa ira nitwonire na senators, twonire senator Kabamethu Shinogina agirariho, Tabitha Karanja wa Naikuru, nikurai na other senators from other parts of Kenya, senators 11. So I require the same number ya senators igetha athie bunge mageria kuhetukia ishindikane. So nyarageria kuha senators aria maka oblock managa numbers theni wa Senate, numbers ikikosekana hiyo motion uti hado igathi na mbere. So it was very important for Deputy President Rigathi wa Gachagua gucemania na senators aya 11 of them. Na bado hena senators ogirora okwenda definitely mata ukorome mwena wa Deputy President. Okio Mtata nekwetwo muno akihura thirikari. Kwena senator wa Githii etagwo senator Kisia naitwa nani? Ritwa yake Onyonka nekwetwo akihura muno thirikari. Kwena senator one part of Mombasa ritwa ni ya Mugikuyu etagwo Samuel Mwangi, ni Mugikuyu epati ya Mombasa but ni Mugikuyu. So oyo no atigana na kiama arugame na mundu wa nyumba, and other senators etuonete matari mwena wa thirikari. Na ogirora athuthuria makirora undu uyu maruga atiriri abunge ni mahakagwo na ihenya. Kuhaka abunge ni raithi, no kuhaka senator kumwe mahaki igetha arugame nawe, it's very hard. Remember, we only have 47 senators from 47 counties. Tigana are nominated. Ashio nominated tigana. But area elected ni 47. Now aya ni okura shio shikamata. So kuhaka senators here ni horo munene muno. Tiraithi, unlike kuhaka MPs. And that's why I get on na mahora Deputy President na mamuhora matire na grounds cia kumuhora tondu already hena kireke kegirire. So musho nino na tuka bunge haina noma, ikipita bunge of which itapita haina noma, turagikono akerire kiria wakehirwo ri ogikia gwikia kura atia according to what kurigana na mumoria wanywire. You see, the moment wanegero kido nitakunywa muma nikareko ndakunegera giki na gwakinya muthenya uria ugeka fulani na fulani nikareko ne muma marianire that touga ndakunegera kido giki nawe muka make mundu ine katia mamu impeach oguo. Now there's something very interesting. So yesterday mabunge wa Keni evitari tene murwaru, that means umuthi ndagukora bunge ne murwaru. Do you think what I'm thinking? Thenie wa impeachment motion hiyo ya Deputy President hena hado kana hena muwoda urakuruhanio MP ocio na Deputy President haemendanire na kugurana na muwoda. So MP oyo is very very important theni wa undu uyu todo ni ndaigwa maguranire na makendane mugunda nake. So no akorota witness no evitari nda guthie bunge. What does it tell you? Is he really sick? Ni Kenya maroria, is he really sick? Ni murwaru. And of which today no ne abugege mono, especially kuma Mount Kenya magete guthie ikao kia bunge In fact, the only person ndona kwaria korea muno no Kimani Ichung'wa, but others meuko makwajite mikiha ni mamenya ground uri huana omothe niguo maingira githĩnjĩro-inĩ. Even if you are independent, ra ground uri huana aikwa electoral mwaka wa 2022 independent tikuwa mwaka wa 2027 ugathiwe independent no hetuke. Sometimes kiama ni gikoragwo na impact nene muno. Sometimes hena wave yoka ya kiama ta UDA wave ni tumete abunge ingi makorwo me thiini wa bunge, especially from Mount Kenya and Rift Valley. UDA wave niyo itumete makorwo me bunge. So ndukauge ati we independent, you don't need a political party. You need it. Ndukauge independent wabi kweria ndu ria kumariria, you need them in 2027. Tikuga ati kawira kau ka MP ni koru. No, aingĩ menda gũkome hau mũno tondũ tikawĩra koru hena ũrĩa mathũkũmaga to mũcara. Hena maũndũ maingĩ mũno monaga mbia namo, marupurupu nĩ maingĩ. So matikamũhenia atĩ matiabatara wĩra ũyũ, they need it. So ũmũthĩ maitho mothe especially from Mount Kenya me kũrĩa bunge. So you as MP make your decision mapema ndio best, but I foresee aingĩ ao matigũthiĩ bunge, aingĩ ao megũkorwo mĩciĩ, ona mathiĩ bunge megũkira piũ. Na ĩyo ndĩagĩrĩirwo gũkorwo ĩ private atĩ casting ĩkorwo ĩ private, yagĩrĩirwo gũkorwo ĩ public, kila mũndũ one mũmbunge fulani akasti no speaker tondũ nake arĩ o hau thĩinĩ no ũgĩe gũkorwo ĩ private, but it should be public. Kumenyekana mũmbunge fulani na fulani araikirie atia, then no mavoid mũno ĩkorwo ĩ private. Ningĩ no citigakorwo ci nyingĩ, no mena mawĩtwo private no ningĩ cikorwo ci nyingĩ. So they have to make it public egetha andũ maigue thoni na nĩ marĩire indo. So for me, from now and from what I saw yesterday, the deputy president athire aria kuria, he deconstructed them. Riu thaa ici nejume meeting-inĩ maingĩ auga ena evidence. Sa to what? No me matingĩthi gũtwara allegations ingĩ. They must stick with those allegations. Na ikĩro kĩreira matingĩtwara allegations ingĩ, they must stick to those allegations. So mugire no, where is your evidence? Where is your proof? Nie uria murauga nindekire undu fulani, ino evidence. Murauga ndegwatire mugunda uyu ndi deputy president, ino evidence. Mugunda ndegwatire ona itaingirite gutuika MP tene, ona ita deputy president. Murauga hena kandrathi ya 3.2 billion ya mosquito nets. Where is your evidence? My evidence is this. Kabuni na murauga ndiri yakuruhania na maundu macio, na ingikoni yakuruhanirie no niguo yekaga, no ti uguo murauga. He gave them a very hard time. Na is very wise and smart that arokire kweyaria mbere wa TV ciothe tondu bunge ni amenyire matikumuhe time ya kweyaria. So aroka mbere. Na every media wanted to cover that press. Every media wanted to cover it. So ni areyaririe mbere tondu kuria bunge matingiamuhe time ya kweyaria toguo tu. Akiaria pointi ciake wangenda pale bunge mambie kumugereria kumubu. So akatumia tactic. Okay, you're doing that, let me use this tactic. Let me come before you, dearie matha makwa meri mega without interruption, dearie before I go to parliament, because in parliament they will not give him time. Very smart, very wise. Na ndo mara advice kwa lawyers yake, they are very nice, and that's why you need people I am advice accordingly. Adumaruga ne akira oru, but kuri mwana uri oge maruga akiyangai huyo jamaa ametupiga because he had 2 hours ya kuji express without any interruption. Now tukole bunge agiathi atu kuji express makamugereria makabia kumubu, and you know how they behave in parliament. You see how they behave. they behave like sometimes nona na bunge makibehave ta ciana makauga buko uguo no ni kumu interrupt ndakiaria already acajiongea so pale ule mabangite kumugireria naki imepigwa knockout knockout mzuri sana so they not do such a thing na mageria kumugireria already nireyaririe before the media, the videos are there. Anyway, we're going to podcast. Manu manyu mlaiko, inyue mwana nate. It is what it is, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, God bless you.